and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see that you're joined for once again a trip to another country. Today we're going to Belize and we're going to make a ceviche. For those of you who know what it is, I'm not going to explain it. The explanation is for those who don't know what a ceviche is. Ceviche is usually a dish composed by fresh raw fish that is often mixed with onion, coriander or cilantro, lime juice, and often habanero or any type of chili pepper. For our ceviche today, we're going to make a ceviche with shrimp. In my instance, I was not able to find shrimp that I would have been allowed to eat raw. So that's another point. If you don't like raw fish, or if you don't feel confident about eating raw fish, if you don't trust the place where you're buying your fish, don't eat it raw. About shrimp, it's a bit tricky because the chances are higher if you live close to the sea to get shrimp that you can eat raw, whereas if you live not close to the sea like myself, it's almost impossible to get fish, or especially shrimp or shellfish, that you can eat raw. So ask your fisherman if you can eat it raw. If not, boil it for a couple of minutes, not more than 2 or 3 minutes, to keep it still juicy, but to make sure that first of all, it changes color, and then that you can eat it raw. Another thing, your fish, chop it up if you're having the raw version. If you have boiled shrimp, you don't have to chop it up, but marinate it in lime juice or lemon juice for about an hour. Let's get to the ingredients. So for our ceviche, we need 300 grams of shrimp, raw or boiled, that's up to you. And we marinate it for approximately an hour in lemon juice. Then we need 3 to 4 tomatoes, chopped or diced. Thinly sliced onion, 1, preferably red onion. A bunch of coriander, mine is from my garden, and that's basically all that the poor creature managed to do after a month of 40 degrees in the sun. Salt, pepper, lime juice, and habaneros. I have 2 habaneros from my garden. Start with 1, depending on how hot they are. We don't want you to die, and we don't want you to end up in the ER. So let's put it all together. So we take a bowl and we place our shrimp with the lemon juice or lime juice. We add the tomatoes. And the onion. We add the habanero and the coriander. Mix it well. Salt and pepper it. Add some more lime juice. So again, have a quick taste test to check if everything is fine. And we're ready. And here we have our finished ceviche. As you saw, it was a quite easy recipe, and this is also the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will make it at home and let me know how it went. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. If you like to see more videos like this, follow my channel. And for now, I will see you in the next one. Bye!